2016 Q3 water pump job. This thing is a pain in the butt on these transverse engines. Normally it'll sit right there on the longitudinal ones, on the A4s and A5s and Q5s, but these anything 3s, Q3, A3, woof, they suck. So here's the carbon deposits, cylinder number 1, cylinder number 2, number 3, and number 4. There's quite a bit of it. Here are the intake flaps covered in carbon. I scraped the carbon off this one just to give you an idea how thick it is. There's the intake manifold, injectors, throttle body, more stuff down there. Here is the water pump that was leaking at the weep hole right there. That's what that is. It's when the bearing lets go, it starts weeping there and then trickles down and it starts creating these cave fixtures, basically stalactites, stalagmites, one of those things. This is the old style with the plastic housing. I'm going to upgrade it to an all metal one, and we'll do a carbon clean, and then we'll put it back together, and it'll live happily ever after, and so will I. Oh yeah, I gotta clean everything up. Once it's all back together, I gotta pressure wash this thing, make it look like new. So still a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do.